Can I make a Morticia Addams costume in 5 days? I don't know, let's find out. We got our fabric here, so it's all nice and wadded up as usual. We got the pattern sitting there. We gotta do some cut. Last update was on Tuesday, it is now Thursday. I have had everything cut up now for at least an hour, so that's great. And now we are going to sew this up. I think we're gonna start with the skirt because after I get the skirt done, then I have to do this to it. What is this? It's a guide. It's a guide for the little flower petal-y thingies. And then these sleevey sleeves have this cute little mesh to it. So Morticia's gonna be looking so spooky. Alright, before I get started on the sewing montage, does anyone else just like take their patterns and just nope? They just nope. Yeah, that's what I do. I just nope. I don't even try. I just fold it however I want to. It's called the nope. Yes, I'm filming this on the ground. I don't have time to move my desk from the house to the apartment. What you talking about? It's Halloween. It's in like 2 days. I gotta do this on the floor. I have come across an issue that I just realized might be a problem, and it's called the spider netting. Does not like this. It's very finicky. So I think this bias tape will work. Maybe. I'm hoping that it will work because this is really pretty, and I think it will be a nice little flair to Morticia Addams. Addams. So about halfway through my Morticia Addams project, I realized I didn't have a zipper. And I'm also missing my hook and eyes. I don't know where they went, but I need a zipper, and I also need some elastic. So now I gotta run to Walmart. I did not anticipate these sleeves taking so long. Like, oh my gosh, why? Why does it take so long? But I mean, I did decide to put like bias tape around it so that way it looked neater. But anyway, pit stop to Walmart. Gotta have mask for safety, and then we'll get right back to it. Walmart didn't fail me this time, unlike other times. But anyway, I realized I was hungry, so now I'm going to go to Sonic and get a little drink and a little snackaroo, and then we're gonna go back to working on Morticia.